This is Emma. And this is Adam. Emma loves the meal kits that she buys from Adam's company. After a long workday, she doesn't have to fight through a crowded grocery store, but can instead enjoy the convenience of a healthy meal delivered to her doorstep. Her only complaint? What to do with the packaging. She can only reuse so many of these giant 6-pound ice packs. Over the course of a year, it adds up to 33% of all the trash she throws away. Emma is torn on what to do. Say goodbye to convenient meal kits due to the waste? Adam's company is, in fact, seeing more customers heading to the grocery store to avoid the large amount of garbage. He is also working hard to fulfill last-minute orders, but has to wait several weeks for new ice packs to get slowly frozen. If they speed up freeze times, the ice pack will bulge and perhaps spoil his high-quality product. Emma and Adam are at a loss. What should they do? Thankfully, Frosty Tech has the solution. Our team of highly skilled engineers has teamed up with major American cold pack manufacturer Pelton Shepherd Industries. Together, Frosty Tech and Pelton Shepherd introduce EnviroIce. EnviroIce is 100% drain safe, meaning Emma can now pour the contents down the drain without having to worry about clogging or damaging her PVC pipes. She could even dilute the gel down and use it to feed her plants. Looks like she won't have to make that trip to the grocery store after all, and can enjoy a delicious, healthy meal that takes care of our environment. Adam is starting to see his customers come back too. Since EnviroIce can be flash frozen in a matter of hours instead of weeks with no bulging or breaks, he no longer needs to worry about freeze times for those last-minute orders. Now he has more control over his fulfillment and can focus his energy on making the next amazing meal. Learn more about how EnviroIce can make a real difference for you and your customers.